Today we are going to install the WatchGuard Firebox T35 or T55 into the RM-WG-T5 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the WatchGuard appliance with power cord and the rack mount kit. In this video, we will use the Firebox T35. The installation for the T55 is the same as the T35. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch WatchGuard rack mount kit with 6 Cat6 cables, a USB cable, 3 zip ties, 1 screw, an Allen wrench, a star bit, front port labels, and installation instructions. We have the WatchGuard appliance here. Remove the screw on the back side of the appliance. Place the appliance on the left-hand side of the rack with the connections facing towards the back. You then want to turn the rack on the side and place the provided screw in the hole to secure the appliance to the rack. Once the screw is tight, the appliance is secure. Next, we're going to install the battery using the zip ties provided with the rack mount kit. Place 2 of the zip ties through the holes on the rack. Next, you will place the power supply over the zip ties. Then tighten the zip ties over the power supply. Make sure to tighten as much as possible. Then trim the remaining zip tie. The power supply is now secure. Place the zip ties through the 2 holes on the rack. Next, you want to plug in the power cord to the back of the WatchGuard appliance. Wind up the excess cording and place it on top of the zip tie. Tighten the zip ties as much as possible. Trim the excess zip tie. Now we're ready to connect the cables. Start by plugging into the far right coupler on the rack and the first port next to the power cord on the appliance. Plug in the remaining cables sequentially. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secure. Now we are ready to place the front port stickers on the front of the rack above the couplers. You can also go ahead and plug in the power supply. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.